Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see on the screen, I made a couple of sketches. Last night was a late night online meeting and it got kind of boring, so as a writer, yeah, of course you're gonna draw some sketches. So I ended up with these three. It's the S, it's the A over here, and the next piece is the letter Z. Now this is a photo, and it's kind of hard to put a photo into Photoshop and trace it because your lens will distort the picture. So it's better that you scan them, which I did. But let's say you don't have a scanner, no worries. If you want to take a picture of your sketch and import it, just make sure that your image is right dead center, the middle of your lens. That's where you will have the least distortion. If you go to the side of your lens, you might get some distorted lines. This is the letter S that I scanned in. That gives me a good basis to start tracing it. Now what you get if you scan with thin paper, the sketch on the back side of the paper will shine through also. So, but that's not really an issue for what we're gonna do. And don't mind the cat hairs. Yeah. But I scanned them all in. That's letter S. I'm gonna turn this off. We got letter A and we got letter Z. You can see you can even see some text in the background over here. Doesn't matter. It just this is a good basic. What I'm gonna do now actually is just grab my letter S again, lower the opacity, turn this layer off. Maybe I can do it on a white background. I can keep using gray. It doesn't really matter for me. But the most important thing is that my scans, I log them in. So I don't draw on my scans, of course. But let's first make up a new layer. I'm gonna call it S tracing. Because this is not a finished drawing, of course. I'm gonna trace each letter in and then I'm gonna place them and work around with it. Basically, again, I pick my regular round brush. The softness 95%, but most important, I need to turn off the dynamics. Get this on the side again. There we go. And now we're actually ready to go. So on that new layer, I'm just gonna start tracing my sketch. And that's basically it. I'm gonna fast forward it, put a time lapse in, because this is pretty boring for a viewer. But yeah, I'll talk to you in a couple of seconds, I guess.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off.
Alright, it's not finished yet, but I'm gonna hopefully teach you something. Something that I use. I never saw somebody use it before, but it's something I fall back on pretty often, especially with 3D drawings. And that's paths. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna skip it out right here. Now, if you use the pen tool, it always goes in the temporary path. I'm gonna delete that one. I don't need it. But just to get your perspectives right, there's a little thing that I always do. And it's pretty much, I zoom in and I take 2 points. That's my first, and I try to follow this line. So I'm gonna lower this one a little bit and then connect it to here. And this actually gives me a waypoint. You see, all these lines, they should line up to my waypoint. You see, this is a little bit off. That's why I use this method, a pen tool, basically, to get my perspective right. So I don't need to draw all the lines in. And this gives me an opportunity, again in the same layer, just to follow these waypoints. Remove that one over here and trace it that way. And then I'm sure that my waypoint is always right without actually having to draw it. Now in the beginning, I made a new layer every time, and let's say I call this waypoint 1 letter S or something. That's what I did in the beginning. My workflow is pretty established now, so I don't do this anymore, but you can pretty much do that. So why not, I would say. So yeah, on to the time lapse, but I just wanted to give a quick hint.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud.
Alright, so that's basically it. Those are the traced scans. Now the scans, of course, I don't need them anymore, so I will delete them. Just select them all, delete them, there we go. And I got all the scans traced. Now it's up to me to start pushing them around, sketch more on top of it until I come up with something that's worth my while. Yeah, I'm gonna again time-lapse the next process, because this will take a few hours. See you guys in a couple of seconds.
Every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man. I just gotta get through, gotta get through. I just gotta get through, gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I just gotta get through, gotta get through. I just gotta get through, gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Okay, so that's pretty much it for this first part of this video. Next time I'm gonna draw in the background, of course, to place it in a 3D space. That's very important. And we're gonna pick some colors and of course color it in. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll hope to see you in the next one.